Hey guys, this week's lab is the Viscosity Lab, so I'll be showing you one way that you can complete this lab on your own in your own home. So what you need for this lab is a viscous liquid. So I have some options here. I have maple syrup or off-brand syrup. I've got honey, and I've got a jar of Alfredo sauce. For this lab, I'll be demonstrating how to do it with the honey, since that's the ingredient I like the least. So what you're gonna do is, for this lab, you're going to pour the liquid, or whatever it is, into a cup. It doesn't matter how much you pour in. What matters is that you have a large enough distance that you can measure how long it takes for something to travel that distance. So this one works okay. I would just mark off the points that the ball is gonna travel. And when you do that, make sure you measure that distance in like meters, centimeters, whatever you choose. Okay. Next, you're going to need something to drop into the liquid in order to measure how fast it takes to travel a distance. So for this, I have a steel ball I got from like a game. I've also got the options of a marble that I found, and if you don't have any of those, I also have a pair of, or a singular die from a boggle set. I'll be using a steel ball in this case because it's the densest and honey is pretty thick, so it'll need a dense ball to go through it. So once you have your object you're going to drop through it and your liquid in a cup, what you're going to do is you're going to drop the ball into the liquid and measure how long it takes to travel a certain distance. So for this, you'll need either like a timer. If the timer on your phone you don't really trust as much, you can use the slow motion feature on your video camera, which you can take a video of the ball sinking, and then there's a way you can go online and figure out how long that time interval is. I personally do not know how to do this, but if you do, then perfect, go for it. So like I said before, you would just drop the ball in, and I can see the ball traveling to the bottom, and I would just measure the amount of time it took to travel that distance. Do that a couple times to make sure that you get more accurate results, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You can of course calculate the velocity that the ball is traveling with distance over time, and I think that's pretty much it. So